Best tech of 2025? Look no further. This video unveils the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. From smartwatches to drones, we've got it all covered. Want to snag these amazing gadgets early? Check the links in the description below for the best deals. Number 1. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 redefines rugged smartwatches with its incredible durability and advanced features. It's the ultimate adventure companion for 2025. Number 2. Experience unparalleled sound quality with the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones, offering industry-leading noise cancellation. These headphones are a must-have for audiophiles. Number 3. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, a compact powerhouse perfect for any aspiring filmmaker or photographer. This drone's portability makes it the perfect travel companion. Number 4. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the Samsung S9 5C QD-OLED TV, boasting vibrant colors and incredible contrast. Elevate your home entertainment experience with this cutting-edge TV. Number 5. Enhance your productivity with the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse, designed for ultimate comfort and precision. This mouse is a game-changer for professionals and creatives alike. This top 5 tech list is packed with innovative gadgets that will transform your 2025. Don't miss out. Check the links in the description to grab these must-have gadgets today.